Hi everyone. In this video I am going to share with you concept of data types. If you remember that memory hierarchy of computer system, so then first will come register, then cache memory, then primary memory, then secondary memory. Whatever data you saved in the computer system, everything it will come in the secondary memory. Whenever you are working in the computer system, then our systems will store the data and the temporary, it will come in the primary memory. Primary memory is some data stored by the register and cache memory. Why? Because register and cache memory can store small amount of data. Which type of data is stored by the register? Either data or control information. If you are talking about data itself, so then it will come anything. That means 1 bit to 7 or 8 bits will come. If we will take 1 bit of data, so it has no meaning. If we will take 7 or 8 bits, so then it will give in the accurate result. So that is why in the data, if we will include numbers and other binary coded information, then it will give the computational results. That means accurate results. Binary coded information, that means other number system converted to the binary. Why? Because our computer system understand only machine language. Machine language, that means 0 or 1. It is the binary coded. So, which type of number system converted to the binary number system? Octal, hexadecimal, decimal, binary coded decimal, gray code, etc. Many number systems are there to convert it to the machine language, that means binary coded. For accurate results, what is control information? It is a bit or group of bits used to specify the sequence of command signals needed for manipulation of the data in other register. That means whatever commands we are typing, that means as a user, so it is the sequential command. For example, A equal to B plus C. User want arrangement of this type of data. So computer also will take same types. That means first will come A, then equal to, then B, then plus, then C. It is the sequential command. If it is not the organized way, then results will not come accurately. So that is why command should be sequential. So the data types in the register of the digital computers has classified into 3 categories. First, number, second, alphabets, and third, symbols. Numbers are used for arithmetic computation. That means arithmetic operation. For example, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and mode. That means remainder. Alphabets are used for the data processing. For example, whatever information I have written here, everything will come in the data. Why? Because it is the English language. And English language, that means I am using the high level of language that is not understand by the computer. So computer understand only machine language. So this high level language convert to the machine language. And symbols are used for the specific purposes. For example, here equal to used for the specific purpose. That means A equal to B plus C means add of two numbers and output will stored by the A. So this is the definition of data types. I hope that you must understand everything. Thank you very much for watching this video.